Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall Google Chat from your phone. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. There are two ways how you can uninstall the app. The first way is to locate Google Chat, click on uninstall and click OK and it will be uninstalled. The second way is to go to the Play Store. Go to the search bar and then go to Google Chat and you will find it over here. Go ahead and tap on uninstall, click OK and you can uninstall the Google Chat. There is also a third way to uninstall the app, but it's a long process, so I'm not sure if you want to do it. So the third process is go to settings and search for apps. After you search for apps, it will be appearing over here. Now you can go to the search bar and search for Google Chat over here. So after you search it, you can see the chat will be available over here. Just go ahead and search it over here. So just go ahead and search for chat. Go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can see that you will be headed to this page, which is the settings page of Google Chat. You can access it from here as well. You can go to Google Chat. If you go to settings, you can see all of the settings over here. You can see the uninstall option on the bottom. So go ahead and tap on it, click OK, and the app will be uninstalled. So guys, this is how you can uninstall the Google Chat app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.